When you go and spread peace and unity, you hear that? Because I'm a fool, dog. I chat up on the mouth. When you don't want to see youths rise, boy, your dog. Get what me I say? Every sumfest I go, I burn my fire. Every stage show, I burn my fire, bro. You get me? Nuffy a waste, man. Big up the fans, them. You hear that? And big up the people, them, too. You get what me I say? You have to know that. Get me? So, you no bugger spread no bugger rumor, bro. You see it? Yeah, man. Up on entry, the man them stay sad. Go like them, I want to let in my people, them, I may just jump off, bro. You get me? I not even see one artist I reggae sumfest, bro. You get what me I say? So you just stop yapping and the chatting with people, them, I may just jump off, bro. You get me? I not even see one artist I waste man Nuffy and spread propaganda. You waste man and you job that, you know, for talk, you know. You get what me I say and follow back, man, and chat fooling and shit. You hear that? Yeah, man, and they say, they big up yourself, Vybz Kartel, every time. You get me? Riches. You know what I mean? And they say, bro. Waste man when I come on the media and I spread rumors, so I'm looking follow back a boy. You get what I say? Now waste man, bro. Is it? One dancehall or one music. You hear that? One side. Big up on yourself, people. Get what I say? Yeah, man. Big up your Gaza. One side. You get what I say? We don't know about that switch up man thing. I make you feel like say, yo, Ray. You get me? Yeah, man. You know it, your Jahshii and them vibes and come on and say what I say, bro. And I'm money me with Jahshii I say too. You get what I say, my brother? Yeah, man. And we can't kill the youth, because you don't know dog and them vibe, bro. You get what I say? So you know about that company media and switch up nothing. Like so you know what go on. You don't know what go on. Waste man nothing. You hear that? You follow back a frowns him out, boy. You hear that? Shut up your mouth for media like you can't style, man. You can't style, man. You know much thing man own in a life, boy, from your juvenile. I not even my style, but you know a thing. Go big up on yourself, people. You hear that? I love and riches every time. You know it already. One, you hear that?
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. But you also know the story ain't complete if minute up on the beat and that you can't see part on the screen. Yeah, them boy are not bad and them might try to take people for idiot. People putting out the comment section where you think about that because as you heard in the beginning of the video, him and Jahshii there at the studio. So guess who was the topic? None other than Vybz Kartel. Yes, so we know they wasn't saying anything too good because Jahshii was around. And we know Masicka is not a good guy because I'm saying my bad man. But you know, he's out here copping pleas with Gaza Nation because, you know, he ain't built like that and he don't have hits like that. So, you know, to save fame career, he's just going to let his friend take the heat, Jahshii, while him come out here and disrespect Nuffy, you know, for calling him out. You know what I mean? But you know to say I'm never call out who? Matsus. So you know this thing is true when Matsus and you know who come out because Vybz Kartel say one man for chat and a MC Nuffy. You know what I mean? So that's what it is. You see some people putting in the comment section where you think about that because it's not a good look, isn't it? Because everywhere when we see that post here with him, the people that might beat him. And as you know, we posted yesterday, he said he's the new king of the dancer. Corey Todd out here retweeting what Kartel said that Masicka the baddest in a 217 because Alkaline did I run up the place in a 216. So that's why I'm giving the infrared hit. But Corey said them never beg for it. You know what I mean? And Kartel was actually clout chasing off of them. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But that's what it is, people. Masicka realize, say, I'm not having no fans like that. Or at least like Alkaline. And, you know, he has to go and build his career. And, you know, Jahshii not having no career because Skeng and Skilligbang go and left him, you know. So they're hoping that, you know, Masicka, when he reaches a level of Vybz Kartel, can bring him up on stage too. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, let's go to the next bag and mix up that involve Vybz Kartel with the Rasta and the Dread. And because the Rasta burn a fire upon the Dread wicked. And we're talking about Irish and Chain getting roasted by the Rasta you see in the middle. Some people, and it's not a good look, you know. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And this is after them call MC Nuffy, you know, Gaza Puppy. You know, I forward for your cars, you know, MC Kartel, you know, for perform and all of them things, you see.
Irish and Chin, I go call you a Yankee Yardy Ras. Look, I say, you are Jamaican, but you get twisted over foreign long time. You see? How comes when you call up Vybz Kartel name about where you say forward they gone? Me not have to mention enough of them, but me will mention one of them. You say Vybz Kartel is not king of dancehall. You see? How comes when you mention up Vybz Kartel names certain way and MC Nuffy here and start clap back at you? How comes you deny it and you know having nerves want bring out MC Nuffy to invite him to come at your studio at Queens? Come at your radio studio at Queens, your sound chat radio studio at Queens. You think MC Nuffy have time for you? MC Nuffy come burn your blood clot because MC Nuffy hear where you are safe and what you're gone. You see, sometimes only Jamaican make things reach other Jamaican, you know. Because right now, you know, you cannot set up MC Nuffy if MC Nuffy ever say any more thing about you. Because enough people know you. You see, you will set up MC Nuffy life just because you come yap off your bumbo clot mouth. So when MC Nuffy know a different Vybz Kartel, him have a right. Vybz Kartel employ MC Nuffy. MC Nuffy know Vybz Kartel from ground one. You see what me I say? How about you? Vybz Kartel employ you, dog. You get up a chat about sound chat radio to bumbo clot and enough thing me here you say we are fuck with. Cause you talk about bands with dancehall. Dancehall starting a dancehall, bro. When the entertainer them play the 45 and then turn you over and play the version and DJ upon it. A deso dancehall chat. A deso dancehall start from. You see? So if you feel like you're there foreign too long, you just start a radio show and you want bring on Kartel. Everybody bring in Kartel upon them, then chat, then get views. But you choose to start the wrong kind of way when you mention Kartel. You know, this do's and don't thing. So MC Nuffy have to come answer your dog. You see? So we no blame MC Nuffy come clap back you hard. You see? Now you are come with one little soft mouth talk now like you don't want invite MC Nuffy because you know him going to come to New York soon. You know if he come to Queens, invite him to come have a one-on-one chat in your blood clot studio. Man, fuck off, man, and go, man. Narrate your youth.
Nuffy! Cut this shit, man. Every bone in my body is telling me to put you in your place. And I'm trying not to. I'm trying hard, bro. I'm trying hard not to. How can you tell me that I got 4 different color here when your face is 4 different colors, bro? Like, come on. I'm trying. I'm trying not to engage in these insults with you, Nuffy. And the reason why I'm not going to do it is because you and I ain't on the same level. Your contributions, matter of fact, you don't even have any contributions for me to compare your contributions to my contributions, right? But what I'm saying is if I argue with you on social media, I'm going to look like I'm playing myself, right? So here's what I would like to do instead. I know that you're coming to New York, right? Soon, right? Queens to be exact. Our office, my soundcheck studio is in Queens. State-of-the-art studio, by the way, right? Come sit down, open invitation, right? And let's talk. No vibes, no bad energy, no insults. Let's just talk. I want to give you a chance to articulate yourself live on air while everyone is listening. And look up that word articulate so you know exactly what it means, right? I want to have a conversation. People can call in and we can talk industry. I want to understand why you find it hard to understand that what I am saying about Vybz Kartel is actually complimenting him as opposed to disrespecting him. When I say that Kartel's career cannot be described by any accolade that is already existing in dance hall, right? It means that Kartel is bigger than the king of the dance hall title or award. I don't think you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth, right? So let's sit down and let's work this out, right? Let's just talk, right? I'm giving you an open invitation to stop at the Soundchat Radio office. When you're here, and you're gonna be here, and wait a minute, before you say that I'm looking ratings for my station, do some research on my reach and my listenership. Please don't say that because I know you think that you're bigger than life, right? But it's not about, anything more than giving you an opportunity to really act like you got some damn sense, right? So if I was you, I would really take it up. Let's sit down and talk. Big dog to Gaza puppy.
I no cartel not a problem with Beanie Man. I no Beanie Man have a problem. And the rest of pussy wall DJ boy and DJ girl them. Levels the man set. Move on a bad mind, blood clot. I look at dirty Rasta one named Chin come at all of a sudden start tell people about OF, host and DJ and MC and this and that. Start to be a now mash up the culture. Rasta boy, you keep clash all these blood clot and dirty dread. Go wash your locks, dread boy. Go wash your locks, you stink like. Chin, Irish potato looking locks, dread dirty. Go wash your dirty dread. Dirty dread, Irish and chin, dirty dread. Go wash your locks, dirty dread. Blood clot every day you come chat. Go ahead, found alone dance all. Remember me?
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that, because I don't understand what a man said have to do with a next man said. If you don't want to use bands, you don't have to. I mean, what's the requirement? You know what I mean? Are you going to get penalized for using a DJ? You know what I mean? Because a lot of people go to these big concerts and they don't want to hear no bands. They want to hear the actual song. And this is why you see a lot of hip-hop artists, R&B artists in America, they lip sync. Straight. When them come to Jamaica, them are lip sync. Like Chris Brown, don't it? And I'm pretty sure they have to play Chris Brown US dollar money for get him doing this and all type of perks. You feel what I mean? So, you know, it's a good look that it's finally a black man from the ghetto. He's finally getting some millions out here, because we know the master never not giving us none to begin with. Especially when the cartel did lock up and was getting peanuts. You know what I mean? But I'm just giving them quick updates. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest one. Bless.